My dear friends and subscribers, first of all, thank you for being part of this community. The applications for the 5th edition of the Old School of Singing Masterclass here in our villa are open right now. We already have 6 participants from the past editions who applied to this 5th edition, and of course I welcome them. And now we have just 4 spots available. This is your chance. Send your application and I hope to meet you very soon. I also want to invite you to be part of the community of the Old School of Singing that is going to open very, very soon, where our podcast, and we start recording already, is going to be broadcast for just you. The first 2 or 3 episodes we're going to put outside is going to be available for everyone, but we want to build our community where the real people with the fire of bringing back the Old School of Singing are meeting all together. So we can have video calls and chat, meetings once or twice a month, and talk about all what we really care to keeping alive the real tradition. See you in the masterclass, see you in the podcast, see you in the Old School of Singing. Stay tuned.